Hey guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today we're going to talk about the February Premium Spoilers. And previously I showed you one spoiler, but we have three new ones to take a look at today. And two of those are going to be the choice items. But before we get into that, I just wanted to say a really big thank you to my subscribers. I just hit 5,000 subscribers just recently, and I'm so appreciative for that. It's been a wild and crazy 10.5 months climbing the mountain to get to 5,000 subscribers, but thank you for making my channel possible, and I think we're going to have a whole lot more fun as we go forward, so thank you for that. I'm filming this video on Monday, January 13th, and today was the early access day for the February base box to do your choice and to do your add-ons, and that was for Luxe and Premium subscribers and waitlisters. As for tomorrow, Tuesday, January 14th, it will be all access for the February base box. So if you were not a Luxe or Premium member or waitlister, then tomorrow will be your day to go in and do your choice and your add-ons. And there are 4 choices for February. You can check my previous videos for that or my community page. And also early access for the choice and add-ons open today at 1 p.m., perhaps 5 minutes past 1 p.m., but 1 p.m. was what Boxycharm let us know midday. That is 1 p.m. EST, since Boxycharm is located in Miami. And we don't have a time for tomorrow for the all access choice and add-ons, but it's a safe bet to say maybe 1 p.m. But you feel free to check the site at 9 o'clock, 10, 11, and see if it's already open. The choice items will be either the Soooo ceramic travel flat iron, and Joe estimates that to be around a price of about $70, but he wasn't sure, and this was from a video that he posted. And the other item of the choices would be the Carity Picante palette. So let's take a look at these two. This is the Carity Picante palette. It has 21 shades in it. And this brand was launched in 2015. It's a New York City brand. And the reason why you may not have heard of it is because it's really not carried in stores. It uses a direct sourcing model, which means that the customer goes directly to the Carity website to buy the products, and they do ship internationally. And that's how they keep their prices low while providing a good quality. And this was referred to by fashionista.com as the Instagram famous makeup brand you haven't heard of yet. This is cruelty-free, ultra-pigmented, long-lasting, blendable, finely milled, and is said to have minimal fallout by the brand. And the brand describes it as spice up your life. We've hand-selected 21 perfectly pigmented shades in multiple finishes that are as warm as a summer night, packed with hot, fiery shades sure to create endless looks, perfect for day to night. And if you look at some of these photos here and swatches, you can see that not only can you do something like a sunset eye, but that you also have the opportunity to use the shades that are in the berry tones, and of course there are some neutrals in there for transitions. I've not used the Carity eyeshadow formula before, so if you have, please leave down in the comments what you think of it, if you enjoyed it, and give us some information if you like it or not, so that in the comment section we can all just get a good idea before we have to make our choice for this on Thursday. The other item is this. It's a Soooo ceramic travel size flat iron, and like Joe said, it retails for about $70. This is a photo of it. It does show that it is corded. It has ceramic plates. It does have cool tip edges. And when I went to look at the Soooo website, I did find 2 flat irons that were travel size. However, they varied very much in price and in also shape and style. than the one that we're seeing in this diagram, the blue one. So I believe that this iron could be an item that Sutra made for Boxycharm exclusively, or perhaps it could be a new release. Yes, Thursday, January 16th is going to be the choice day for the February premium box. And that's going to be for the premium active subscribers and does not include the waitlisters. We do not have a time for it yet, but feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I always indicate in my community tab when these events occur, when the add-ons go live, when choice goes live, when pop-up goes live, so you'll be sure to find out as soon as I find out. And also you can follow me on Instagram. I also post the information there as well. The spoiler that I did already talk about in a video was this. It's the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush, and this goes for $40. It is sold at Sephora and other places. This comes in either a shimmer finish or a radiant finish, and there will be several shades available. This has a 4.5-star rating on Sephora and 1,850 reviews. It's a groundbreaking hybrid that combines the customized lighting effects of ambient lighting powder or strobe powder with a spectrum of breathtakingly modern hues. While traditional blush tends to be flat, this blush uses photoluminescent technology to exhibit depth and dimension with seamless blending, and it's a handmade powder, and it's awesome. And there's a whole lot of words on this page I'm reading Sephora, but it's just a gorgeous blush, and I can't wait to get my hands on it. And the newest spoiler that we got from Joe is this. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. This has 5 stars at the Glow Recipe website. It has almost 600 reviews. It sells for $28. And this is the 75 ml version, which appears to be what Joe is holding in this photo. And it immerses skin into a hydrating mist so ultrafine and delicate, it envelopes your skin like a dreamy morning fog. This formula is packed with a juicy blend of 84% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs to refresh skin and enhance makeup. So it will be softening, smoothing, and illuminating and give you hydration. It is good for all skin types. It has watermelon and hyaluronic acid, hibiscus AHA, rice germ oil, and it's free of parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, silicones, and alcohol. It's vegan and cruelty-free. And this can be used either as a refreshing spray or to set your makeup. And just keep in mind that to get your choice for this February premium Boxycharm, you will have to go to their website on Thursday, January 16th to select your choice. So what do you guys think of this box? I'm thinking that it looks great. It's exciting that we're getting these 3 spoilers, basically half the box, so early, because I haven't even received my premium for January yet. I don't know about you guys. It's exciting to get these early, and it's exciting that it's already looking like a good value box for the $35 price tag, especially when you're considering the Glow Recipe and the Hourglass Blush and a hair tool. So leave your comments down below what you think about the spoilers for this premium. And also, if you have not yet joined Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below in the description box. It's $25 a month for the base box with 5 full-size items, and then you'd have to click the box on the site to upgrade to the premium box, which is $35, and you would be put on a wait list for that. So I will leave the link down below. When you first join, you will usually get a bonus item, and those bonus items have been changing lately because I believe they've been getting a lot of new subscribers. So an item or a duo as a bonus item may be available 1 week, and then it may sell out, and then there may be a new bonus the next week. So I will leave the current bonus down below in the description box, along with my link and the code to get the bonus. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button because it helps YouTube suggest my video to other people so I can keep growing my channel. I would so appreciate that. And also hit the notification bell and subscribe so that you will get notified of not only upcoming videos but also the news that I post on my community channel, such as pop-ups happening and times and when choice is going to happen and when add-ons are going to happen. It's just a good way for us all to stay connected. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next video. Bye!